Dear students, this is a YouTube podcast aimed at helping biology lovers, NEET aspirants. If you are tired of reading books and materials, you may actively listen to this podcast while lying in bed or traveling. Listening is a good exercise to improve your concentration. Kingdom Monera and viruses is the topic of the day. Let's revise some important questions. Question number 1. Which statement is wrong for viruses? Find out the wrong statement. A. All are parasites. B. All of them have helical symmetry. C. They have ability to synthesize nucleic acids and proteins. D. Antibodies have no effect on them. The correct option is B. All of them have helical symmetry. This statement is wrong. There are rod-shaped and spherical-shaped viruses. These are their primary shapes. Based on the shapes, there are two symmetries recognized in viruses. Rod-shaped viruses have helical symmetry and spherical viruses have icosahedral symmetry. Only rod-shaped viruses have helical symmetry, but the option says all the viruses have helical symmetry, so the statement is wrong. Question number 2. Nuclear membrane is absent in. Nuclear membrane is absent in A. Penicillium, B. Agaricus, C. Volvox, D. Nostoc. The correct option is D. Nostoc. Nostoc is a prokaryote. Prokaryotic cells lack membrane-bound organelles and well-organized nucleus. That's nuclear envelope is absent. Penicillium, Agaricus, and Volvox are eukaryotes. Question number 3. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group A. Fungi, B. Animalia, C. Monera, D. Plantae. The correct option is C. Monera. Maximum nutritional diversity is shown by the members of kingdom Monera. Some of the Monerans are autotrophic, either they are photosynthetic autotroph or chemosynthetic autotroph. Majority of the Monerans are heterotrophs, either they are saprophytic or parasitic in nature. Ecologically, they may be producers or decomposers. So maximum nutritional diversity is shown by the members of kingdom Monera. Next question. In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is in eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is A. Nucleus, B. Ribosomes, C. Cell wall, D. Plasma membrane. The correct option is D. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane of eubacteria resembles to that of eukaryotic cell. It is made up of phospholipid, protein, and some amount of polysaccharides. However, it lacks sterol, the characteristics of eukaryotic cell membrane. Instead, there is sterol-like compound called haploids. Next question. Organisms called methanogens are most abundant in. Organisms called methanogens are most abundant in A. Cattle yard, B. Polluted stream, C. Hot spring, D. Sulfur rock. The correct option is A. Cattle yard. Methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals such as cows and buffaloes, and they are responsible for the production of methane gas from the dung of these animals. So they are most abundant in cattle yard. Next question. Virus envelope is known as. Virus envelope is known as A. Capsid, B. Virion, C. Nucleoprotein, D. Core. The correct option is A. Capsid. Structurally, viruses are very diverse in size, shape, and chemical composition. The nucleic acid of virus is always located within the virion particle and surrounded by a protein shell called capsid. Next question. Theo Dainer discovered A. Free infectious RNA, B. Free infectious DNA, C. Infectious protein, D. Bacteriophage. The correct option is A. Free infectious RNA. Virids are small, circular, single-stranded infectious RNA molecules that are the smallest known pathogens. The extracellular form of the viroid is naked RNA. That is, there is no protein capsid of any kind. This RNA molecule contains no protein encoding genes, and therefore the viroid is totally dependent on host for its replication. No viral diseases of animals are known, and the precise mechanism by which virids cause plant diseases remain unclear. Next question. Bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by a species of Bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by a species of A. Xanthomonas, B. Pseudomonas, C. Alternaria, D. Edwinia. The correct option is A. Xanthomonas. Xanthomonas oryzae causes leaf blight of rice. Pseudomonas rubrilinians causes red strip of sugar. Edwinia amylovora causes fire blight of apple. Alternaria solani causes early blight of potato. Next question. Which of the following statements about mycoplasma is wrong? Find out the wrong statement about mycoplasma among the four statements. A. They are also called PPLO. B. They are pleomorphic. C. They are sensitive to penicillin. D. They cause disease in plants. The correct option is C. They are sensitive to penicillin. Penicillin acts on cell wall and mycoplasma lacks cell wall. Thus, mycoplasma is not sensitive to penicillin. Mycoplasma are inhibited by metabolic inhibitors like chloramphenicol and tetracycline. Next question. Barophilic prokaryotes. Barophilic prokaryotes. A. Grow slowly in very high alkaline frozen lakes at high altitude. B. Occur in water containing high concentration of barium hydroxide. C. Grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. D. Readily grown and divides in seawater enriched in any soluble salt of barium. The correct option is C. Grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. Barophilic prokaryotes grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. Barophilic prokaryotes love to live in an environment where the pressure is very high. Like to listen to more of this kind of podcast? Subscribe Ispreet Academy. Share this video with your friends and classmates. We have shared the links of other podcasts in the description. Feel free to share your comments with us. See you in the next podcast.